Wagwan, wagwan, it's your girl Tash, and I am so excited. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself, you don't know, up. Guys, great things are happening. Great things are happening and are about to happen on this channel. So if you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on a thing. Guys, I am here again with the professor, and we are now 3 months into his hair regrowth journey, and we have been seeing some great progress since our last video. For those of you who haven't seen any of the previous videos I posted with the professor, I will leave some links below for you guys to go and check those out after. So when the professor first came to me, he was experiencing baldness at the front of his head. I will briefly explain to you guys what causes baldness. In my opinion, alopecia is just a medical term used to describe hair loss. But hair loss can be caused by a number of things such as stress, lack of diet, lack of hair care, bleach, dye, and many other different types of chemicals that are found in most hair products. Understanding what causes hair loss can prevent this condition before it occurs. So your hair works like a plant. It needs a strong and healthy root to survive. If the root is dry or isn't getting enough moisture, then the plant or hair starts to wither, and if this lack of moisture continues, then the plant or hair will die and fall from the roots. But the falling of the plant or hair is not the end of it, because if the root is left damaged consistently over a period of time, then the root itself will die, meaning that there's no way for the plant or the hair to resurface, as that foundation is completely dead. For some, all may not be lost. There is still a way to unclog your follicles and start reconstructing your roots in order to let those hairs that are trapped beneath the surface come through and flourish once again. For some people, a hair transplant surgery is the quickest and easiest option, but what a hair transplant surgeon will do is punch holes into the dead surface in an attempt to release the hairs that are trapped underneath the surface. But this doesn't always work, and the result may not be as perfect as you might expect. I am sure that you guys have heard this before, but let me say it again. Prevention is better than cure. I offer a hair reconstruction service for both man and woman with damaged hair, cuticles, and follicles. My aim is to help both men and women to understand what causes hair to shed, break, and later leads to baldness. Now you understand what causes hair loss. Let's try and prevent hair loss by joining me in a one-to-one Zoom session where I can assess your hair condition and go more into depth on how we can reconstruct your hair today. All may not be lost. Where there's life, there's always a way, and I will help you to find a way to restore life into your hair. Book your one-to-one session on our website, specioushairstyles.co.uk.